90-Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After? Star Loren Brovarnik is worrying her fans by posting about her ill health after recently sharing a cryptic holiday update. Loren is a mom of 3 from Florida and is married to Alexei Brovarnik from Israel. Loren and Alexei met over a decade ago while she was on a birthright trip. Loren welcomed her first baby in 2020 and then had 2 more back-to-back pregnancies. They took a toll on Loren's health, physically and mentally. Loren spoke about having postpartum depression. Loren was able to fix her abdominal diastasis with a natural mommy makeover. However, Loren has to deal with a new illness as 2024 ends. Loren took to Instagram to share a picture of her and son Asher looking pale and unwell. She wrote that it was Christmas Eve and Hanukkah Eve, but both she and Asher had got the stomach flu. Loren's next story a couple of hours later was just a picture of Asher lying in bed, sleeping. The young mom thanked every single person who had messaged, texted, and not called. Loren added, "We are hanging in there." A day later, Loren decided to give fans an update. She revealed that the stomach flu had spread throughout the house. Loren was trying to find the silver lining to the dreadful situation. Loren wanted to think that she was getting it all out and leaving in 2024. She and her family were going to start 2025 strong and on a fit and healthy note. Loren was in the hospital in November. She'd taken a selfie with her hand placed under her chin with no makeup on. The picture next to it was of a closed door with the sign MRI zone on it. Loren never explained what she was doing in the hospital, especially in the MRI zone. Loren's message to her fans at the time was to not judge someone without knowing what they were going through. She added that one can never know what someone is going through behind a smile, behind tears, or behind closed doors. Loren has been facing some backlash lately for her content. She's been mocked for posting selfies of her crying. Loren perhaps wanted viewers to show some compassion towards her. However, Loren has not been able to improve her image despite her efforts, especially since some viewers think she has a superiority complex. Loren is not feeling well, and now her family has also been affected. Loren loves sharing updates on Instagram, especially during the festive season. Her illness has ensured that Loren is unable to leave her house. Loren might really get sympathy from fans without having to resort to cryptic posts that act like clickbait. 90-Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After? Star Loren is a mommy influencer and makes money through social media. Her inability to share content during this crucial time means Loren is hurting and hoping she can return to feeling better when 2025 begins.